Good morning, children. I am Vijay Kumar Das from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Wajidpur, Darbhanga. I am going to take grammar class today. It is class third. The chapter is the subject and the predicate. The today's chapter is the subject and the predicate. Okay. आज मैं आप लोगों को सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ. Okay. You know, every day we speak so many sentences to express our feelings. Every day we speak so many sentences to express our feelings, to express our views. Each sentence is a group. Each sentence is made up of group of words. Each sentence is made up of group of words. You know, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, now a sentence can be divided into two parts. We divide a sentence into two parts. They are the subject and the predicate. They are the subject and the predicate. These are the two parts of a sentence. किसी भी सेंटेंस के दो भाग होते हैं. कौन कौन भाग होते हैं? सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. They are the subject and the predicate. Okay. A sentence can be divided into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Remember them. This is very simple to remember. Subject and predicate. These are the two parts of a sentence. Okay. What is the subject? What is the subject? Now you will be eager to know what is the subject and what is the predicate. A subject is the doer of action. A subject is the doer of action. A subject is a noun or a pronoun in a sentence that does something, that does some action. And the predicate, the rest part of the sentence is called a predicate. Rest part of sentence is called a predicate. Okay. The predicate of a sentence is the word group that predicates or affirms something about the subject. Means what is said about the subject is called the predicate. For example, he writes a letter. He writes a letter. I am talking about he, him. He is the doer of the action. Who writes a letter? He. That is why he is the subject of the sentence. Okay. He writes a letter. He, that is a pronoun. That is the doer of an action. That is the doer of action. That is why this is the subject of the sentence. यह इस वाक्य का, इस सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट है. Okay. The remaining part, writes a letter, is the predicate. Means what is said about the subject is called the predicate. Okay. India is our country. Another example, India is our country. Here we are talking about India. Here we are talking about India. So it is the subject of the sentence. India is the subject of the sentence. And the remaining parts of the sentence is our country. Is our country. इस सेंटेंस का शेष भाग जो है is our country. This is the predicate. This group of words is the predicate. Okay. Sita is a good girl. Sita is a good girl. Another example. Sita is a good girl. Here we are talking about Sita. Here we are talking about Sita. That is why Sita is the subject of the sentence. And the remaining part, जो शेष भाग है सेंटेंस का, that is called the predicate. Is a good girl. This is the predicate. A predicate is a word group in a sentence that predicates or that is said about the subject. Okay. So these are the two parts of a sentence. They are the subject and the predicate. Always remember them. A sentence can be divided into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. A sentence can be divided into two parts. They are the subject and the predicate. Subject means doer of an action. Subject means doer of an action. Okay. The remaining part of the sentence is the predicate, means the word group that predicates or affirms something about the subject. That affirms something about the subject is called the predicate. Okay. For example, a teacher teaches in a school. A teacher teaches in a school. The teacher who teaches? A teacher. This is the subject of the sentence. Teaches in a school, the remaining part. This is the remaining part. This is the predicate. Okay. So, means a sentence can be divided into two parts. They are the subject and the predicate. Okay. This is the today's class. Today's class is over. I think you may have learned them very well. Okay. Thank you.